Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how this hidden iPhone setting to waste your data. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video. Make sure to pause this video till the end and follow the steps as well. There's a small setting on the iPhone that might be the reason your data runs out before the end of the month. And the scary part, this setting is enabled by default. So what you need to do is, there's a feature on the iPhone called the Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically switches to mobile data whenever the Wi-Fi signal gets a little weak without giving you any notification. The result, you think you're on Wi-Fi and suddenly your data is gone and you don't understand where it went. So to fix it or to go to it, simply head over to the settings. Inside settings, select cellular. Once you're inside cellular, select Wi-Fi Assist by simply scrolling down. Right here, you'll find it enabled automatically and you won't be able to turn it off unless you turn on cellular data first. So simply turn on the cellular data on the top, you'll find Wi-Fi Assist and then you can be able to disable it. Turn on the cellular data off once again so you can control when you use your mobile data so your data lasts the whole month to prevent any unexpected background usage. And this feature isn't a problem or spying or anything like that, and it's useful for people who like their internet to stay on without cutting off. If your data runs out quickly, turning it off is a much better idea, and if you like playing online games or doing video calls a lot, turn off Wi-Fi Assist and keep the control in your hands to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. In the end, you can try it yourself and see the difference, and these are a couple of steps that you can apply. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.